Introduction to renewable hydrogen.
Renewable hydrogen is a clean fuel produced without emitting carbon dioxide. It is created by splitting water into hydrogen and oxygen using electricity from renewable sources like solar or wind power. This process offers a sustainable alternative to fossil fuels, helping reduce greenhouse gas emissions and supporting the transition to a low-carbon energy system.
What is electrolysis?
Electrolysis is a chemical process that uses electricity to split water into its basic elements, hydrogen and oxygen. When an electric current passes through water, hydrogen collects at the negative electrode and oxygen collects at the positive electrode. This method of producing hydrogen can be entirely clean when powered by renewable energy sources.
The role of renewable energy.
Using renewable energy, like solar, wind, or hydropower, ensures that hydrogen production does not rely on fossil fuels. By powering electrolysis with renewables, the hydrogen made is often called green hydrogen. This approach avoids generating carbon emissions, making the whole process environmentally sustainable.
Step by step, creating hydrogen from water.
First, renewable electricity is supplied to an electrolyzer, a device filled with water. When switched on, the electrolyzer's internal system splits water molecules into hydrogen and oxygen gases. Hydrogen is collected and stored safely, while oxygen is released or captured for other uses. The result is clean hydrogen, ready for fuel or industrial applications.
Why green hydrogen matters?
Green hydrogen can help decarbonize industries, power clean vehicles, and store renewable energy for later use. Because its production emits no greenhouse gases, it supports climate goals and energy independence. As technology advances and renewable power grows, green hydrogen is set to play an increasingly vital role in a sustainable future.